All right, let's do question number 5. This question gives you these reactions, and they ask for the enthalpy chain of this reaction. So let's just summarize the question here. You go from 4 NH3 plus 5 oxygens that goes to 4 NO and 6 water. Okay. And they give you the delta H formations of NH3, NO, and water. So you know that NH3 is formed from NH2 plus H2. Okay. How to balance this? You have 4 NH3 here. So that is 2 nitrogens and a total of 12 hydrogens. So that will be 6 hydrogens here. Okay. So going from here to NH3 will be the formations. Delta H F0 of NH3. Okay. Next is for NO. So to go from the constituent elements to NO, you have to use nitrogen and oxygen. So I can write oxygen here. And so these nitrogen can combine with these oxygens to make NO. Okay. And you can also see that hydrogen can combine with oxygen to form water here. So these process actually you will be correspond to the delta H formations of NO plus the delta H formations of water. So let's see if we have to do any more balance here. So you have 4 nitrogens here, 4 nitrogens here, 6 H2, so 6 H2 here you have 4 plus 6, which is 10 oxygen. So here you must have 5 oxygens here. Okay. So to be accurate, just to make sure that the delta H formation is for 1 moles of that substance. Here we have 4 moles of NH3, so that will be times 4 here, and you have here 4 NO, so that will be 4 here, and here you have 6 water, so that will be 6 here. Okay, so we need to calculate the delta H for this process, so that is unknown process. Here, so we know from Hett's law that the delta H of the direct process, okay, equals the delta H of the indirect process. So the direct process here, we can see that we go from NH2, H2 to the intermediate here and go to 4 NO and 6 water. So this is the final product. And this is reactant. So actually going from here to here is the indirect process. So the indirect process will be 4 delta HF of NH3 plus the unknown delta H. And for the direct process, it will be straight up from reactant to product. So that would be 4 delta HF of NO plus 6 delta HF of water. Okay, so just plug the number in. So for NO, you will have 4 times 90.3 plus 6 from water. We have minus 421.8. And that equal to 4 times for NH3, it is minus 46.1 plus the unknown delta H. So you know what to do, right? So just take out your calculator and see what you get. So 4 times 90.3. Okay, so that one will give you 361.2 minus 6 times 241.8. 1450.8 equal to 4 times 46.1. So that would be minus 184.4 plus delta H. So your delta H will equal 361.2 minus 4050 by 8 plus 184.4. Okay, so this number and this number here is roughly around 500 minus 1450, so that would be roughly about minus 900 something. Okay, so the correct answer must be C.